and welcome to another episode of How-Tos and Reviews by D. And for today, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-renew at mag-take ng online exam for your LTO drivers license renewal.
Remember to like and subscribe!
So unlike before, hindi na kayo pwedeng pumunta na lang ng LTO office tapos ibigay yung license nyo at sabihin magpaparenew kayo. May mga prerequisites na or may mga steps na kailangan nyo i-complete bago kayo pumunta ng LTO office para talagang ma-renew nyo na yung license nyo. So, I will give you the step-by-step process on how to create your online account kasi you will need that for your renewal and how to take the exam online because you will also need that before you can actually renew your license in LTO. So, here you go. Here's the step-by-step.
Step 1, go to the LTO website. Pwede nyo lang din yan i-google ng LTO Transportation Office. Or you can type lto.gov.ph. It will bring you to this page, the LTO webpage. Click register now. And step 3, accept the terms of agreement. No choice ka naman dyan. Click next lang and lagay nyo yung code na yan, yung security code. So, just click next after you've done that. Then, step 4, enroll as an individual. Then, ito, meron kang itatanong kung conductor's license ba yung meron ka. Just say no in this question. That's step 5. Step 6, complete nyo lang yung necessary details about your license. And then step 7, ilagay nyo kung anong citizen kayo. Filipino, so yes. Step 8, complete all your personal info. Next step, ilagay nyo dyan yung contact information nyo. Then open your email to verify your account. Step 10, log in, go to e-learning, choose CDE online validation exam. Then you can use this as a reviewer then. Then next part here, congratulations! At ipiprint nyo na ito.
Yun guys! O diba sobrang dali lang naman nung actual process on how to do the online exam. So importante ay pumasa lang kayo dyan. In the website, meron namang part doon where you can actually review bago kayo mag-exam. Pero what's great about this is you can take the exam unlimited. O diba, pag hindi mo na-gets the first time, malalaman mo kung anong mistake mo. So it's actually gonna be safer for you to drive next time kasi alam mo na talaga yung rules. Hindi ka talaga nila pagda-drive-in at i-renew yung lisensya mo hanggang nakukuha mo lahat ng answers correctly. May mga mag-o-offer niyan sa inyo minsan in the LTO office na silang gagawa niyan for you. Pero syempre, why would you do that? Medyo daya yun, diba? Ang dali lang naman online. Just follow the step-by-step process that I showed you here and hindi kayo mahahassle. What's great about this is pag na-renew yung lisensya nyo, 10 years na ang validity nito. Hindi na yan every 5 years babalik-balik ka, diba? And ang bilis-bilis na lang nung process. Kapag meron ka na nung proof na napasa mo yung exam, meron ka ng online account, okay na yon. You can renew your license and it's just gonna take a few minutes. They're gonna print your ID and you have your 10-year valid license already. If you have any questions about this process, you can just comment below. And then kung meron kayong mga gusto ipa-tutorial sa akin, ilagay nyo lang sa comment nyo below. And don't forget to like and subscribe dito sa channel ko for more how-tos and reviews like this. Bye!